Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to integrate ChatGPT into Microsoft Excel so you can automate tasks, generate formulas, and analyze data like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Excel user, this will help you save time and boost your productivity. Let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab. That's the one where you'll find tools to add tables, charts, and different add-ins. Look for the option that says Get Add-ins or Office Add-ins in the toolbar. Just a quick note, make sure your Excel version supports add-ins. This feature is available in Microsoft 365 and Excel 2016 or later. Next, click on My Add-ins. This will open the add-in store, where you can browse, search, and manage the tools you've installed. If the store doesn't load properly, don't worry, it might just be a connection issue. Check your firewall or make sure your Office app is updated to the latest version. Now, in the add-in store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type ChatGPT and hit Enter. You'll see several results, but look for the official ChatGPT add-in developed for Excel. Once you find it, click on it to open the details page, then click Add or Install. If you're on a company or school account, Excel may ask for permission, just confirm that to proceed. Once it's installed, go back to the Insert tab, open My Add-ins again, and you should see ChatGPT listed among your installed tools. Click on it to launch. Now, you'll see the ChatGPT panel appear inside Excel. From here, you can start typing prompts or questions directly into the ChatGPT sidebar. For example, you can ask it to generate formulas, analyze large data sets, explain functions, or even automate repetitive tasks, all within your spreadsheet. This integration is perfect for people who want to use AI to make data work smarter, not harder. You can ask ChatGPT to fix formula errors, summarize data trends, or even write VBA scripts if you're into automation. And the best part, once you get used to it, ChatGPT becomes like your personal Excel assistant, always ready to help you with complex calculations, data cleaning, or creating dashboards. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends or colleagues who work with Excel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.